You don't talk to them. The past is the past.
But the fact that me and them talk feel so long. Until
What,
say no, I done.
the amount of work things me do can't compare to you look at talking to your ex them.
What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy cap out there. And people, on done the tech already. I'm back with another bad prank on Abby. But guys, before the video start, I want to go over to 876 Media and go subscribe to his channel. Yeah man, the man of the baddest review them, the latest news, anything from media entertainment, and them man the channel I drop it right now. Yeah man, them new to the platform, same way. If you want to support same way, so go by page and just go subscribe and watch him content. Come here tell you, I like how man deliver him thing. Yeah man people, just give him strength, tell him say Abbi and Capo send you. Remember I know 876 Media. Yeah guys. People, we're not going to enjoy that prank yet. Just from now, just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not new. You don't know, say, a Team Capo, for saying that guys, Team Capo. Follow up on Instagram too, down below, yeah man. Subscribe to Abbi's Madness, Capo's TV, and don't forget to check out the comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. People, maybe I do a challenge right now, it name your ex versus me, boyfriend versus ex-boyfriend challenge. So now the challenge, I'm not sure I come with that foolishness in the people. Yes! I look for my phone. So I go to the woman try and prank her until I say, yo, my ex-girlfriend better than she. I don't know how prank her say it, but just stay tuned to me, so. Did she ban me too?
Yeah, cause guys, what we tell you. Yesterday when I made my last relationship before Capo, them time I never broke it off good with the boy, I say, you know.
Yeah.
So but I end up me Capo. So me I go back and forth from the boy to Capo, from the boy to Capo, cause me I decided to buy it. So I cheap at 2 hours one time.
Yeah, but she ban me. Me I play side man role. You must not do that, man.
Eh?
This man do
No,
something.
I'm more one day.
To be a free guy, you make up for go. For people eat that. Look at you.
Right you.
Me have that talks to me, that my girlfriend see me, so I go back and forth there too, so. No wrong.
Which girl?
Me not calling about the name for camera, Brighty. I tell you which girl for. So it even out.
Yeah, go back and forth so bad.
Not back and forth, but me my girl used to talk with me and talk until we break off. Me used to reach on deep in a relationship.
For you?
What mean for true?
For you? No, for that joke I said, for you?
I mean, what mean for true? If you got back and forth with your boyfriend, wait till me that just left my girlfriend and then just, you know, every man and just come talk to you same way, so like I eat that so, tell the truth. I have to make sure someone knows me serious before I break up with my girlfriend. Oh, that makes sense.
It's like that now.
No, oh, that makes sense, for real.
It's like that now.
If you could have made, no, for real though.
Anyways, guys.
No.
Leave me
No,
alone.
no.
I'm phone, transfer the file. Phone. What is? Hold my ex. Jake the ex.
All of your ex out.
Yeah, why I do that?
You don't have to explain. Your life is excellent. Come on, baby, let's go party. So, I'll be big man thing. Do you think you never have a girlfriend and me just talk to you?
Yeah, boy, you never. Yeah, girlfriend, for you.
I mean, why do you think I do with my
Which
girlfriend?
one did that?
I know, what would I say that? My last girlfriend I talk to, so I'm that. What's that?
Oh, so that means that she did come upon me picture. When she come upon me picture, that means that she did mean something.
That did done already.
You already done already?
Yeah.
Alright then. Fair enough.
So, what do you feel about that?
When I feel out if you say you try to broke it off, you broke it off.
Broke it off.
Yeah,
So,
you
talk to her
broke
after
it
you tell me, say, you know, like, I'm going to text her, she's not together anymore. Because when I text her as friend, and he text me and say, hello, this is not going to work. When I say, no. It's done. No more texting. Delete number. Boom. And then you became the only girl in my thoughts. So you feel about that?
I feel that way.
I mean,
No, that's a gap,
I don't feel that way about it.
just like come me there, we go back and forth and be hoe. You go
never
back and
be
forth and
hoe.
be hoe.
She belongs to the streets.
So I said, I don't say go.
Say go, you have to know where you want to know. Remember we young and so. So we go back and forth.
Wait, hold on, what's the shut up? You not read the red clothes?
Yeah.
Me not still at them time. We never left until when we
So why should I?
when start got Excel there.
What?
When start got Excel, me and she left.
So me for know that information eh?
No, talk about that tell you.
So you have none of them now?
What?
You talk to none of them now?
What that supposed to mean?
You talk to none of ex now?
Like what? For friendship wise, mad?
Friendship wise anyway.
No.
Oh. Well, if it's about me, next case.
What?
If it's about me, next case. You not talk to them. The past is the past.
But the fact to me and them that talk feel so long. Until
What
they
happened?
say no, I done.
The amount of more things me do can't compare to you look talking to your ex then.
Look at this.
So for me, they do things like have sex during me and talk.
I don't know wrong. May I serious now?
So now you think about.
It's alright.
What kind of what things we do?
Yeah, I don't know wrong. To have war.
So if we stop worrying now, good.
Yeah, we stop war.
So put more tomorrow. Problem.
So why you don't want war tomorrow?
To ask you.
What's the problem? I'm not gonna leave it then.
Oh. So pass.
If not,
The
man.
long time passed again.
Well, you realize.
I was first day when you talking. First couple of months.
You realize I don't really. I don't like you again.
But I like you more now than before.
Exactly. If you say you start act up, you start like me late.
So you stop like me too? You stop like me early?
Stop like you. Come and try to put on my arm and then you figure up. Just like I who's more understanding your feelings. I always have a pour on my heart to you. I'm saying, Kappa, I do not like this. Kappa, I don't like that. What you do? You don't work on things that what I don't like. So therefore...
You tell me saying like I watch football often. I cut out that until
you
you daily
don't
watch
cut
it.
out that blood.
Of course I cut out.
You don't cut
You
that
love
out.
football.
Up to recent, you start do about the
No,
program.
watch a go on, me watch one match. But
No, every minute I depend. I'm not even that. Your phone and the issues. So I went to you now watch your match. You always have your phone. You're the first boy. I say love phone, so. And that's the thing. I always have to say, Kappa, stop this fucking time. We have 2 fucking channels. We single channel and then put in the work. And you can't waste time when I reach your wires. But you still have waste time. So therefore, them some of them irritate me. I don't want a man who love them phone too much. That I'm actually getting in the end. And keep on and do it. So I feel like say, right, your phone is your priority. I'm not. I'm actually build a future by putting in work and whatever.
Okay.
You get on the first time I talk to you about this, so this is not new news. I'm keeping my hand. Stop holding me
You came here, oh.
Yeah,
If the friend them like, if the ex-boyfriend is ugly, I feel I'm not him.
You're sick.
Tell me, back on my eye, me.
Which one are you hiding there?
The 2 of them will be like back on my eye, me.
That one is good correct. Not no red button. Can I move now?
I just don't make sense. I never make sense about that talk with me talk to you. I think. When I'm coming about tell them before after me.
Yeah, them do that.
When me get serious, me and them broke them off like.
When I got point I get serious, man, I attack from 2014.
So that was with him. That was you think me carry on X in 2015?
Of course. No, look a young boy.
Oh boy, I joke man. I was just pranking you right there. It was a prank, girl.
I thought it was a prank.
Okay,
They
I
got
see
you
it.
see me.
Me a prank you.
So where the phone?
Because I don't want to use my card.
So
Give me phone. Guys, want to go back to 876 Media and go subscribe and give me a good warm welcome. Yeah man, give me a big strength people. You see it? So 876 Media, subscribe to the page. Also, subscribe to Abbi and Kappa Comedy TV. Subscribe to Abbi's Madness and Kappa's TV. Yeah people, turn on the bell now. Turn on the bell because you can post all the whole of the month. So turn on the bell. You don't know say Team Kappa is out.